Hello everyone, 5 White soup is known as a treasure for women, and its nutritional value even surpasses that of bird's nest. In autumn, female friends should definitely drink this traditional soup. Regular consumption beautifies the skin and is said to be a beauty secret among celebrities. Today, I'm going to share with you the detailed method for making 5 White soup. First, prepare a piece of white fungus and place it in a bowl. Add a spoonful of white sugar. Add a small amount of flour. Then pour in an appropriate amount of warm water, just enough to cover the white fungus. Cover it with a plate and shake it a few times. Set it aside and soak for 3 minutes. Prepare 50 grams of peanuts and put them in a bowl. Add boiling water to cover the peanuts and soak for 15 minutes to make it easier to peel them. Then add 50 grams of glutinous rice to the bowl. Then add clean water. Soak for 20 minutes. Next, prepare 15 grams of lotus seeds and put them in a bowl. Add clean water and wash them thoroughly. Be sure to remove the lotus seed cores as they taste quite bitter. After 3 minutes, our white fungus has finished soaking. Wash the white fungus thoroughly, rinsing it several times. Adding sugar and flour when soaking the white fungus can help it soak faster and better remove any dirt from its surface. Tear the cleaned white fungus into small pieces. Our peanuts have also finished soaking, so it's now very easy to peel them. After the glutinous rice has finished soaking, wash it thoroughly and drain the water. Prepare a snow pear and peel it. Then cut it in half. Remove the pear core. Then cut it into small pieces. Next, put all the prepared ingredients into a blender. Add rock sugar according to your taste. Pour in about 1,500 milliliters of water. This amount is for 4 people. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can add less water. Put the lid on and select the rice paste mode for 30 minutes. Alright, when the time is up, pour it into a bowl. At this point, the fresh aroma of white fungus and lotus seeds is irresistible, and it looks as white as milk. The taste is smooth and delicate, and its nutrition is in no way inferior to bird's nest. After drinking it for a while, you'll be pleasantly surprised. If you like my video, remember to like, comment, and share it. Thank you for your support.